How to enable or disable raw image editor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on this menu icon. So after click on this menu icon, click on settings icon. So now in gallery setting, scroll down and you will see click on photo editor settings. So after click on photo editor setting, you will see raw image editor is here. So if you want to disable raw edit image, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see raw image editor is disabled. So if you want to enable raw image editor, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see raw image editor is enabled. So you will enable or disable raw image editor from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable raw image editor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.